What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to be showing you a little cool hack. So I tried this hack the other day and I couldn't believe it actually worked. This is a hack for the Bluetti Charger 1 and also the Bluetti AC2A. So I've turned on my Bluetti Charger 1 and I've got the engine on, and at the moment it's only running 128 input. Sometimes it will average from 130 to 135 or even 136. So this is currently charging on the standard mode. So what I did was I went to the AC2A setting and then I did the charging mode, and then I clicked on the turbo charging mode, and what it did, I couldn't believe it. So once I changed to turbo mode, it just skyrocketed to 200 watts. That's such a big difference from 130 watts input to 200 watts, and it's just amazing having this turbo mode. This was such a great hack because it can also charge my AC2A even faster than before. So now even if I'm going on a shorter trip, having it on turbo mode, it will make my life easier and I will charge the AC2A even faster. So with the turbo mode, my battery is at 13.9 volts, which changes to the 28 volts, and then sometimes it can even go from 209 watts input to 210 input. So if I was to compare to buying a solar panel of 200 watts, I'd rather get a Charger 1, which is only $399 AUD, compared to a solar panel which costs around $749. That is why this Bluetti Charger 1 is such a game changer, and it also works with other power stations. Here is another one for the Bluetti AC2A. If you haven't really read your manual, you can press the AC and the DC together to get into the secret menu. Once you get into the settings, you can change the frequency from 50 to 60 Hz. By pressing the DC, you can change the modes from the Bluetooth, the Eco mode, and all the other stuff. And once you want to get out of the settings menu, you can also just press the DC and the AC button at the same time to get out of it. Another good hack is updating your firmware. What you gotta do is go into your phone app and then go into settings and then press firmware upgrade, and you will see if you're up to date or not. It's always good to upgrade your Bluetti power station so that there's no bugs and it's always up to date. Right now mine is up to date. You can also go to advanced setting to do some factory reset, or you can also do your AC output frequency by changing it from 50 Hz or 60 Hz. The awesome hack that I did for the Bluetti Charger 1 is connecting an Anderson plug. Because I wanted to put it on my tub and I wanted to make it portable, I've connected an Anderson plug so that I can take it on and off when I'm not using it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you got any hacks, please comment below and let me know what they are so I can start using them. Check out my other videos on how to install the Bluetti Charger 1.